Hi, welcome to Dave's Corner of the World. Have a great day. Hi there. Well, I'm kind of aggravated at myself. And it's all your fault. Because the other day I cleaned up my house. I mean, it was absolutely totally spick and span. If you don't believe it, I'll leave a link below and you can check out my motorhome. So anyway, most bachelors, you know, when we go to clean up a house, if somebody's coming over, why we just take the junk from the couch and take and go and throw it in the bedroom somewhere, and maybe even close the door if it gets really bad. And the same thing with the rest of the living area. But I cleaned up absolutely, totally everything in my house. Everything went where it was supposed to go. There wasn't any coats laying around. There wasn't anything. So, okay, that's all well and good. So yesterday, I went to Harbor Freight and bought a brand new welder. They're a cheap little $100 welder. I think I paid $87 for it or something like that. With all the other stuff I bought, wire brush and a good slag hammer and things like that. I think it turned out to be $130. Anyway, I came home and took it apart and got it to this point, which, as you can see, it's totally taken apart. I got a wire cut there. I'm going to cut this one. And I was getting ready to put on my rectifier, and I couldn't find it. I had no idea where the rectifier and heat sink were. I looked all over this place to find that rectifier and heat sink. I looked in every single cupboard I had, every one, all over this motorhome. Couldn't find it. I looked outside into my basement. I've got drawers and storage space underneath the living compartment that we all call the basement. Couldn't find it. And then I discovered that I'd lost something else, and I got to thinking, well, what did I do with that last? And anyway, a long story short, I finally found them down in the basement. Full bridge rectifier and heat sink, and I'm getting ready to put them in. But I tell you what, that was all because, see, those pieces didn't have a place in the motorhome, because they're gonna go inside here and never ever to be seen again. So I put them, it ended up that I put them in a coffee can and set the coffee can in a compartment outside. And it took almost 2 hours to find them. I'd say it took at least that much. But I got them. So it's all your fault I lost those things. But that's okay, I forgive you. Talk to you soon. See you next time.